Hello students, good morning to all of you. So last class we discussed about exercise 10.4. First three questions I discussed. In those questions any changes are there? Please let me know that one. The data, whatever the data given in your textbook, if it is different from my textbook data, then take that your textbook question as a homework and practice it. Do that one. In case any doubts are there, let me know that one. Okay. Now we are discussing about a conversion of a solid from one form to another form, one shape to another shape. So in that one, three problems completed. And that fourth question. A well of diameter 14 meters is dug, 15 meters is depth. So, a well of diameter 14 meters. A well of diameter 14 meters is dug, 15 meters depth. So, diameter of the well is equal to D is equal to 14 meters. Then radius is equal to 7 meters. And the depth of the well is equal to H is equal to 15 meters. The earth taken out from this well, you are pouring it as a around the circular ring width of 7 meters to form an embankment. It's platform. You may find this type of platforms in villages. Around the well, there will be a platform like this. It will be with some height. Okay. So around that one, suppose let us assume that this is a well, like this is there. Means this platform, around that platform. Okay. Let us assume that depth of the well is 15 meters and diameter is 14 meters, and the well is whatever the earth taken out, you are pouring it around the well. Means the platform where you will stand and to pull the water to. Okay, understood? So wherever you are standing beside the well, in old villages you may find that embankment means. Embankment means like this it will be. Okay. So this is embankment will be here. This much height only it will be. So this is a standing place. Okay. Around the well, embankment. A platform, round platform of the well, that is embankment. Round platform of the well. Okay. Width of the embankment is equal to evenly around in the shape of a circular ring width 7 meters to form a embankment. Now this width is equal to 7 meters. Width of the platform, embankment is equal to circular ring is equal to 7 meters. Means like this it will be. This is 7 meters. Okay. That is equal to W is equal to 7 meters. Now this radius of the embankment is from center of the well to this one. Radius of embankment. What they asked? Find the height of the embankment. Radius of the embankment from the well, center of the well, is equal to R, capital R. Means this small r plus this width, radius is equal to R plus W. Capital R is equal to 7 plus 7 is equal to 14 meters. Radius of the embankment is equal to 14 meters. Now here some height will be. This height they asked. This height they asked. Height of the embankment is equal to h. Means to find out this one, this embankment volume and this earth taken out from the well. Earth taken out from the well are equal. Means volume of embankment is equal to volume of earth taken out. Taken out from well. Means volume of embankment is area of the embankment into height. Means volume of earth taken out from well is nothing but a cylinder formula. Volume of a cylinder. Volume of means area of embankment means area of inner circle, area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. Means area of outer circle pi r square minus pi r square. Means area of ring formula in class 8 you learn. Area of ring is equal to area of outer circle minus area of inner circle into h is equal to pi r square h. If I take pi common, then r square minus r square into h is equal to pi r square h. Now pi cancel. This is r plus r into r minus r into h is equal to r square h. Now substitute the values. R plus r is 14 plus 7 into 14 minus 7 into h is equal to r value 7 into 15. Now 21 into 7 into h is equal to 7 into 15. 7 cancel. H is equal to 15 by 21. 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are 15. H is equal to 5 by 7 meters. Okay, 5 by 7 meters. Once check the calculations. Where I did a calculation mistake, I think. Diameter of the well is equal to 14 meters. Okay. Radius is equal to 7 meters. Depth of the well is equal to 15 meters. Depth of the well is equal to 15 meters. Okay. Now width is equal to 7 meters. Width of the ring is equal to. Now radius of the embankment is equal to capital R is equal to small r plus 7 plus 7 14 meters. Height of the embankment is equal to h. Means area of the ring into height is equal to volume of the earth pi r square h. pi into r square minus r square into h is equal to pi into r square into h. Pi cancel r square. Yes, a simplification wrong I made it, sir. 7 into 7 no, it is 7 into 7 into 15. Please correct it. R square no. 7 into 7 into 15. Now 21 into 7 into h is equal to 7 into 7 into 15. Okay. Now h is equal to 7 into 7 into 15 by 21 into 7. 7, 7, 7 1 are 7 3 are 3 1 are 3 5 are. H is equal to 5 meters. Please correct it. Like yesterday's class. In previous class, third question also, there may be a calculations, corrections will be check out once whether I used or same or not. R square is there. Before I wrote only one R value, but R square formula, as per formula correct one I wrote, but substitution of values only once only I did. So make it correct. So correct that and simplify this. Very different question, important question. Embankment problem. Means embankment is nothing but this is okay platform where earth will be well beside, well surrounding platform, that is embankment is circular platform. Diagrams to understand, draw it properly. In third question also there may be a corrections may be, sir. Check out once. R whether I took R square proper or not, R cube or R square whatever it is. In the fifth question, a container shaped like a right circular cylinder having a diameter 12 centimeters. 12 centimeters diameter and height 15 centimeters is full of ice cream, and this ice cream is filled into cones. This is you are serving in a cone of height 12 centimeters and diameter 6 centimeters, having a hemispherical shape on the top. Find the number of such cones. Means some cones, X cones are there. How many cones this ice cream can be filled? How many cones? Whatever the ice cream available in this cylinder, in how many cones we can serve? How many cones we can serve? We need to find out. What is that one? First one is a container right circular cylinder having a diameter. Diameter of the cylinder is equal to diameter of cylinder is equal to, this is D is equal to 12 centimeters. Okay, then radius is equal to 6 centimeters. Height of the cylinder is equal to height of cylinder is equal to capital H is equal to 15 centimeters. This is completely filled with the ice cream. This total cylinder are full of ice cream, and this ice cream you are serving in cones. And the diameter of the cone is 6 centimeter, and the height of the cone is equal to 12 centimeter. So diameter of cone is equal to D is equal to 6 centimeter. Then radius is equal to 3 centimeter. Height of the cone is equal to height of a cone is equal to h is equal to 12 centimeters. Height of a cone is equal to 12 centimeters. You can find at your nearby places or at your home. Ice cream will be while cone ice cream while selling ice cream seller may fill the cone first and then he'll put some hemispherical shape on the top. On top he may put some additional ice cream that is in hemispherical shape. In hemispherical shape he can serve. Okay, so that means volume in this cone, how much is ice cream is can fit that. Apart from that, he will give the additional one, hemispherical part also he will give. That means volume of the cone plus volume of the hemisphere is gives the total ice cream can fill in one cone. Means volume of the cone plus volume of the hemisphere will total give the in one ice cream can be filled is volume of the ice cream is will get. Means that is like that. How many cones he is serving? We don't know. That only we need to find out number of cones. From where he is serving? From cylinder. Means this total ice cream you are using. Means volume of the cylinder is equal to x number of cones into volume of the ice cream in cone. Okay. Let us suppose number of cones is equal to x. Let us suppose number of cones is equal to x. Now x into volume of ice cream in cone. Volume of ice cream filled in cone is equal to volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder. X into x number of cones you are filling. X into volume of ice cream filled in one cone. In a cone is equal to volume of cylinder. Means x into volume of cone, ice cream filled in a cone is volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. X into volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere is equal to volume of cylinder. Means x into volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square h plus volume of hemisphere is 2/3 pi r cube is equal to pi r square h, cylinder volume. Okay, now x into pi/3 into pi/3 I am taking common, then r square h, r square also I get common, pi/3 pi r square, sorry, 1/3 pi r square I am taking common, then left over is h plus 1/3 pi r square, h is left plus 2 left here, pi 1/3 I took common, pi r square, 1 r is left over, pi plus 2 r is equal to pi into r square into h. Now pi I cancel, x into 1/3 into r value, small r is 3, 3 into 3, h small h, 12 plus 2 into 3 is equal to capital R, 6 into 6 into h, capital H is 15. Now this 3 cancel, x into 3 into 12 plus 2 3 is 6, 6 plus 12 is 18. is equal to 6 into 6 into 15. Okay, 3 ones are 3 twos are 6 ones are 6 threes are 3 ones are 3 fives are. So x is equal to 2 into 1 into 5. X is equal to 10 cones. X is equal to 10 cones. See here, from a solid, from a cylinder full of ice cream is there, and you are pouring into a cones. Okay, how many cones can be filled with the ice cream available in the cylinder? Means diameter of the cylinder given, radius is 6 centimeters, height of the cylinder given, diameter of cone is given, radius and height of the cone given. Let number of cones is equal to x, and this cone is filled complete cone as well as a hemispherical part also. So x into volume of ice cream filled in a cone is equal to volume of the cylinder. Volume of ice cream filled in cone is a volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. X into volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere is equal to volume of cylinder. 1 by 3 pi r square h plus 2 by 3 pi r cube is equal to pi r square h. Now from this 1 by 3 pi r square, if I take common, into h plus 2r is equal to pi r square h. Pi cancel. 1 by 3 into r square means 3 into 3, h 12 and 2 3s are 6 is equal to 6 into 6 into 15. Now 3 cancel, 3 into 12 plus 6 is 18 is equal to 6 into 6 into 15. 3 ones are 3 twos are. Okay. Now 6 ones, 6 threes, 3 ones, 3 fives. 2 into 5 into 1, that equal to 10 cones. Number of cones is equal to 10. Please write down. Okay. With this exercise 10.4, almost all problems completed. Only 2 questions are left. Whether you try them, if not, I'll explain in next class. Thank you.